Annyeonghaseyo, welcome to K-Talk Express. Are you ready to start your journey to learning Korean? I hope so, because we are about to embark on a language adventure. But hey, don't worry, Korean is easier than you think. I mean, if you can remember your favorite K-pop songs, you can totally learn Korean. Right? Now, here's the best part. This course is made for you. No pressure, no stress, just pure fun. Simple steps to learn Korean. Before we dive into the Korean language, let me tell you a little bit about how this course works. In every video, we'll start with simple words, phrases, and then gradually build up. We'll focus on pronunciation, grammar, and practice. By the end of this course, you'll be able to introduce yourself, ask for directions, order food like a pro, and even watch your favorite K-drama with less confusion. So no more Google Translate for the K-drama subtitles, okay? Let's make your Korean skills better than your translation app. Now, let's talk about why learning Korean is amazing. First of all, you'll impress your friends at karaoke with your perfect pronunciation of K-pop songs. Secondly, if you're a fan of Korean dramas or K-pop, you'll understand your favorite characters without subtitles. No more waiting for the next episode just because you can't understand what they're saying. And let's be real. If you can understand what BTS says during interviews, you're basically fluent, right? But the most important reason to learn Korean is to open up a whole new world of culture, food, history, and of course, the amazing people. Now, let's get started with your very first Korean word, 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요, which means hello. It's the most polite and friendly greeting you'll use everywhere. Don't worry about the pronunciation. It's pretty simple once you break it down. Try saying it with me. 안녕하세요. Great. You just said your first word in Korean. I'm so proud of you. See? Wasn't that easy? For homework, I want you to practice saying 안녕하세요 every time you greet someone today. The more you practice, the more confident you'll get. All right, that's it for today's lesson. You're off to a great start. Now, I know we're just getting started, but already you've learned your first Korean word. Don't worry, in no time, you'll be ordering food like a Korean food critic. Remember, your homework is to practice saying 안녕하세요 and use it whenever you greet someone. See you soon, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun Korean lessons. Bye for now. 안녕히 가세요.